Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Divas, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome, guys. So to my new subscriber, guys, make sure to subscribe, join the family, jump around, play around, okay? And to my old subscriber, guys, I thank you so much. Thank you for being here with me, like thank you. And some of you have not been watching because I stopped uploading video. It's not fair. I beg, not decamp me. I beg, I'm still your girl Divas. Do not decamp me, oh please. I'm here. I'm going to be dropping I'm going to be dropping videos. Please, not decamp. I beg, stay with me. So guys, today what are we doing? I have a lot of products here that I want to talk about, so let me just pick one first. So which one will I go for? Which one will I go for? Let's talk about white patches on the skin, because hey, a lot of question has been coming to my DM, to my Instagram page about white patches, guys. So I'm just going to brief you a little bit of why you have white patches. I'm going to brief you a little bit of it, and I'm going to also show you what you can also use to prevent white patches on your skin or cure white patches on your skin. So guys, why do you always have white patches? Not why do you have white patches on your skin? Okay, so I'm just going to tell you the little that I know. Okay, I'm going to tell you the little that I know due to experience. Okay, I also went to Google and I read some things like, why do white patches affect skin, especially when it comes to the African skin? Why do we always have white patches? So what Google said is almost the same thing like the one I know about, okay, the one I know or the one I feel or due to experience. Okay, so it's almost the same thing. So I'm just going to tell you about the one I know. So why you always have white patches on your skin? Okay, number one, why you have white patches on your skin is due to the product that you are using. Okay, due to the product that you are using. I'm not going to say the product is bad. I'm not going to say the ingredients inside the product are bad. Okay, yeah, maybe some of the ingredients may be too harsh on the skin. Maybe some of the ingredients may not fit in with your skin tone, may not fit in with your skin type. It may be okay for other people, like two people can be using a certain product and it will be giving white patches to the other person. Why? One is that if you're like, as a woman, you want to use any body product, please, you have to figure out your skin type. That one is very important. Most people do not know their skin type. Yes, I was there before. I know that I don't know my skin type before. That is when I don't know anything concerning skincare products, formulation, and doing stuff. I have done lots of courses. I still do courses till today. I'm teaching people and I'm still learning. I still do courses till today. Okay, so as a dark person, you want to go into skin lightening, you don't just jump. Like you're dark in complexion and you want to run into skin lightening, it's going to backfire. And the first thing you're going to start experiencing is patches, white patches. They come in the form of dots on the skin. It will look like, you know, this is a chicken. If you peel out the skin of the hairs, if you peel out the hairs of the chicken, you see the body is like, okay, it's like goosebump, yeah, goosebump or goosebump. So it's just like that. So it is very, very irritating. It is very, very irritating on the skin. So most people that are dark in complexion, they started using lightening products, and the next thing is boom. No, that is the reason why you have those patches. If you're dark in complexion and you want to go into lightening, please, you have to, you know, start from like, start using a brightening product, start using a glow product, a brightening product. You go up like that, then you start using a product that is going to tune you, like brightening, glow, tune you. Maybe the other step, something that will give you 1 shade lighter, and the other step you go to 2 shade lighter. It's just gently. So if you go back to my old videos, you guys are going to see my skin tone. Okay, you're going to see my skin tone. I'm just that chocolate girl. So based on you are into skincare, you have to touch up, like tune up and all that. So you can see my skin now. It is looking so flawless. No pinch on like patches on the skin. Nothing like that. Okay, nothing like that. I wanted to show you my skin, but I'm putting on sleeve. Okay, so this is it. Nothing like that. So this is what I'm fighting about now. This one, this is what I'm fighting, and very soon I'm going to deal with it. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to deal with it, and this requires a lot of scrubbing. So that is it, guys. So you start gentle by gentle. You as a dark person, you don't just meet someone that is selling skincare product and the next thing, boom, madam, give me 3 shade lighter. Who does that? Who does that? You meet someone that is selling cream, madam, give me something that will work under 1 week. Who does that? So most of you people are the one causing these things on your skin, because if you come to someone that is selling product and you say, give me something that will work 1 week, and the person don't want to lose that money, she will give you something that will work 1 week, and at the end of it you have white patches. So guys, please take it easy. Just go step to step, just gentle. You will get there. It can take you 3 years to whiten. It can take you 3 years to lighten up your skin. No problem. At least it is safer. It is safer. It can take you years to just, it is safer, not just 1 week, to even 6 months safe. To lighten up for 6 months, not be beans. I beg. It is not easy. You have to be patient, okay? So guys, now I'm going to show you one of the best oil that you can use for skin patches, okay? So here is the oil that you can use for skin patches. I've been using this, and I also add it inside my skincare product, because I don't want to hear stories like maybe my customer will buy my product and the person will say, the thing is giving me patches, and I'm the one that always recommend products for my customer. If you're dark in complexion, you don't come to me and say, give me 3 shade cream. Wait till happen. Take it easy. I'm going to advise you to buy my caramel set. I tell you, I will advise you to get my caramel set. You start from there, then you go to my lightening set, which is the Egyptian lightening cream. From there you can go to my upper grade, which is the radiant white cream. Okay, so this is the oil that you can use when it comes to skin patches. So if you have skin patches, all you do, you take this oil, you apply it all over your skin, the parts, these patches of a thing. Some people always have it on their legs and on their hands. So you apply it on your hand, apply it anywhere you're having that skin patches, okay? And if you're making your own product at home, even if you're not making, let's just say you buy any skincare product, so because you are not there, you don't know what the person using formulating it. So for you to just be on the safer side, you can get this in the market and mix it with your products. Mix it with the product that you bought from the market, okay? Mix it with your lotion, mix it with your soap, mix it with your cream. You should buy any oil in the market, like you want normal body oil from these organic sellers. You were not there when they were making the product, so just for you to be on the safer side, you get this oil. It is called patches oil, Flozygirl patches oil, okay? So this one, I bought this one from the market in Lagos. I bought this from the market in Lagos, okay? So you can get this oil and mix it with your product, guys. You can get this oil and mix it with your product, guys. It is really good. If you're making your normal body oil that you want to use at home, get this one, mix it with any body oil. Or you can use this one to make your white patches oil. It's called the patches eliminator, okay? The oil is called patches eliminator oil. You get the oil, then you can get coconut oil, not the thick coconut oil, the liquid coconut oil. Get the coconut oil, get this oil, get olive oil, just mix them together, and you will be applying it wherever you have your white patches. You can do that every night before you go to bed, okay? Every night, just mix these 3 oils together, this very one, or you use directly. If you still don't want to use directly, you get the coconut oil, you get the olive oil, and you get this patches eliminator oil. Mix 3 of them together. Always apply it as the parts where you have those patches, please, okay? And try to stay off any product that is not your skin tone. You are dark in complexion, you want to switch to 3 shade lightening, I beg, don't be crazy. Small, easy. I have a lot of, sorry guys, I'm not going to call them crazy clients. I have a lot of clients. Somebody will just say, I have a wedding to attend next week, and you need products that will lighten. Oh God, you need products that will lighten your skin under 1 week. My dear, even no product will whiten your skin for even 2 months. No product will whiten your skin for 2 months. It's going to start gradually. You start experiencing this glow, brightening, light. It comes like that. It comes like that. So you don't put pressure on the people that are selling product. At the end of it, your skin is going to be the one to get damaged. And when it comes to white patches, they disappear quick. See, I'm giving you remedies to treat your white patches or to prevent white patches, but it's not something you just use 1 week, you see say it don't disappear. No, it's still going to take time, but you just have to be this English they add everybody, not be everybody, they add me. Consistency is the key. Okay, consistency is the key. So you always apply the oil or mix it with your product. If you buy products from any skincare brand, put it inside. For me, I make my products and I sell my products, so I always add this oil inside all the products that I'm making. Okay, I add this oil inside all the products that I'm making, so that if the client wants to experience something like that, it's just going to prevent it. Okay, so that is it, guys. I hope you find this video very helpful. Yes, come and ask your question. I did get it back. Sometimes when I'm bored, I will just be looking for messages. Who will send message? Let me reply the person. And come on my DM. Come in my DM to ask question. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram page. Okay, guys. So I'm going to see you soon in my other next video, guys. And try to join our online training class. Catch ya.